Now, this is how you can find your phone number on the Android device. So let me talk about it and show you exactly where you can find it. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe because we have so many tutorials ready for you. So let's get into it. Okay, so on your device, just open up the settings app, and as you are on the main page, you can tap on the connections right there. And this is the page where you manage Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and so on. But one of the menus is also the SIM manager, and that is the stuff which you need to enable or click on. And you might have multiple SIM cards. You can enable one or disable the other. You can choose the preferred calls, messages, and so on. But you can see that the SIM number too, it's telling me the carrier name as well as the number below. So this is exactly how I can find my phone number for whatever purpose I need it, right? So it's a nice SIM manager, so I can see the number of one SIM card. Perhaps, as I said, if I have another one installed, I can also check it out. So it's very useful stuff. You can as well go to your contacts app on your device, and there is usually the ability to set up your profile. When you go there, you can as well kind of like enable your contact information about yourself, which is going to be like your profile card, which can also be used to add and store your own information. So a lot of people added their phone number into this like your card view, so that might be another way to utilize it. So I hope that I was able to explain it and help you out with it. Let me know your thoughts, and most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this one.